Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the Buddha looking over Dublin Bay. Yesterday's video we started with a quick sketch, and today is more about the colours and getting in those finer details. Pop in the colour, start getting in the detail of the Buddha. So again, we've got our dark shade here, and again just keeping it kind of light, just for a nose looking out that way, maybe a chin that side, and then the arms. He's looking particularly aesthetic this evening, maybe before that rose apple tree moment where he found the middle way and started looking after his body. So why don't we go with that and give him a bit more muscle this evening. And again, that rose apple tree story is after years of thinking the way was to enlightenment was starving himself. He had a memory of a kid when he was in the palace, and it was the apple festival, and there was he was sitting under a tree and an apple just fell down, and he really had a real moment of joy eating that. So he was brought back to that moment as a kid, and he kind of thought, oh yeah, that's the way to move forward if I can get more of that joy in my life. So I always like that story as a way for kind of illustrating the way, the middle way, not too extreme. So we give him a bit of yellow, and again, they're looking a bit raggy today, so why don't we give him kind of a middle way, maybe a nice hoodie, something like that. Lovely. And then again, a lovely trick is, again, with the sun coming in over to our right here in Dublin this evening. So again, anything over to this side is, imagine the sun's coming in this side, so anything over here is going to be a bit darker. So again, if we were to translate that to our picture, we could take it one shade darker for each side, just to give a bit of 3 dimensions to our picture. So again, a bit of dark shade over here, take out the black Crayola, and then we've got the hair over this side. Great. And again, for the red hoodie, for the orange hoodie, if we add a shade of red over this side, what it does is just adds a bit of 3 dimensions there. Again, our tree lines, our shrubbery is all going to be a bit darker on this side of the picture. Great, so there's just a little sketch illustration to how to start off your Buddha looking over Dublin Bay.